Let's learn the main words you will need to speak about family in Levantine Arabic. We will start by listening to the list of vocabulary, and next we will see them used in phrases and sentences. And at the end of the video, I will give you extra vocabulary of plural words. Let's start.
family,
عائلة,
husband,
زوج, جوز,
wife,
زوجة,
mother,
أم,
father,
أبو,
daughter/girl,
بنت,
son,
ابن,
boy,
ولد,
sister,
أخت,
brother,
أخو,
children/boys,
أولاد,
grandfather,
جد,
grandmother,
جدة, ست,
grandson,
حفيد,
granddaughter,
حفيدة,
paternal uncle,
عم,
paternal aunt,
عمة,
maternal uncle,
خال,
maternal aunt,
خالة. In some of the following phrases and sentences, I use the verb have, or possessive, or question words. There are videos available on this channel to cover these topics.
my family is big,
عائلتي كبيرة.
my husband is Jordanian,
زوجي أردني. جوزي أردني.
Ahmed's wife is foreign,
زوجة أحمد أجنبية.
my mother is happy today,
أمي مبسوطة اليوم. أمي مبسوطة اليوم.
my father is an accountant,
أبوي محاسب.
this is my friend's daughter,
هاي بنت صاحبي.
is this your son?
هاد ابنك.
This boy is smart,
هاد الولد شاطر.
where is your sister?
وين أختك؟
My brother is 20 years old,
أخوي عمره 20 سنة.
do you have children?
عندكم أولاد؟
We are at my grandfather's house.
إحنا في بيت جدي.
I am with my grandmother at the market.
أنا مع ستي في السوق. أنا مع جدتي في السوق.
This is my grandson. His name is Muhammad.
هاد حفيدي اسمه محمد.
This is the little granddaughter.
هاي الحفيدة الصغيرة.
My uncle lives in the city of Irbid.
عمي ساكن في مدينة إربد.
How many paternal aunts do you have?
كم عمة عندك؟
What is your maternal uncle's name?
شو اسم خالك؟
He has an aunt who is 25 years old.
عنده خالة عمرها 25 سنة.
Sisters.
أخوات.
Brothers.
إخوان. إخوة.
Girls/daughters.
بنات.
Grandchildren.
أحفاد.
Paternal uncles.
أعمام.
Paternal aunts.
عمات.
Maternal uncles.
أخوال.
Maternal aunts.
خالات. شكرا for watching, liking and commenting. Please subscribe for more videos.